Welcome to Harmony. Here, we help you manage anxiety and stress in a practical, simple, and accessible way. Finally, it's time to eliminate this burden from your life. See how easy it is. Everything starts with you. By clicking Buy Now, you'll fill out a quick registration form and receive an access link via email. On the first screen, you can either type or speak how you're feeling. Write something like, "I'm anxious" or "I need a break." Harmony listens to you and responds with personalized messages, simple exercises, and even quick breathing techniques. It learns your preferences, concerns, fears, and desires, helping you manage anxiety according to your unique needs. Additionally, you can log how you feel throughout the days and track your progress, while also receiving supportive words whenever you need them. Harmony is your personal guide, always ready to help wherever and whenever you need. You can access it anytime from any device: smartphones, iPhones, tablets, PCs, or laptops. Try it now and discover how easy it is to find moments of peace in your daily life. Click Buy Now and experience the best value for managing your anxiety and living a much happier life.